Hello everyone, welcome to my Stay Focused YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel for more educational videos. So today's topic is menstruation. Let's discuss what is the definition of menstruation, the visible manifestation of cyclic physiological bleeding due to shedding of endometrium. The shedding of endometrium that takes place and causes bleeding through vagina is called as menstruation. It is cyclic and physiological. For menstruation to occur, the endometrium should be responsive to ovarian hormones. Ovarian hormones are estrogen and progesterone, and the outflow tract, cervix, and vagina should be clear. Menstrual cycle. The period starting from the beginning of one cycle to the start of next new cycle is called as menstrual cycle. Menarche. The visibility of first menstrual bleeding, usually seen at the age of 11 to 15 years, is called as menarche. Menopause. Permanent cessation of menstrual cycle at the end of reproductive life. It is usually seen at the age of 40 to 50 years and above. Duration of menstruation. Usually it will occur for 4 to 5 days. Interval. The first menstrual cycle to the next new cycle, there will be interval of 28 days. Up to 32 also it is normal. Amount of blood loss 20 to 80 ml. Menstrual cycle. Two cycles will come under this menstrual cycle. First is ovarian cycle and second is endometrial cycle. First, ovarian cycle, changes that takes place in the ovary during the period of 4 weeks comes under ovarian cycle. FSH is the hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, is responsive to the growth and development of the entire Graafian follicle. That follicle should have more estrogen and FSH receptors. LH helps in first meiotic division. The first meiotic division takes place in the ovum when there will be peak level of FSH and LH. The ovulation occurs. Corpus luteum. After the release of ovum into the fallopian tube, this Graafian follicle converts itself into corpus luteum. This corpus luteum, if fertilization occurs, helps in pregnancy. If fertilization won't occur, this corpus luteum degenerates and forms into corpus albicans. So this is the diagram. The primary follicle, after getting mature, turns into secondary follicle. Secondary follicle still get matures and turns into tertiary follicle. This tertiary follicle is the matured one and consists of ovum. This ovum is released into fallopian tube during 14th day of menstrual cycle. After releasing, it turns itself into corpus luteum. If fertilization occurs, corpus luteum helps out in maintaining pregnancy. If fertilization won't occur, this corpus luteum changes into corpus albicans. Next cycle is endometrium cycle. Endometrium is the innermost layer of the uterus. Uterus is having 3 layers. In those 3 layers, innermost layer is endometrium. This endometrium will be having 2 zones. One is basal zone, another one is functional zone. Basal zone is present just above myometrium and functional zone is superficial layer. This has 4 phases: regenerative follicular phase, secretory phase and menstrual phase. Regenerative phase. In this phase, the regeneration of endometrium occurs after menstruation. After menstruation, the formation of new layer occurs in this regeneration phase. Next is proliferative or follicular phase. Proliferation of all structures occurs where the mitosis, blood vessel maturation, etc. are seen. Follicle stimulating hormone influences estrogen, so that estrogen attains peak level at 14th day of menstrual cycle and there will be ovulation. Next is secretory phase. It is seen after ovulation, prior to menstruation. Gland, surface epithelium, etc. increases in its size. Endometrium growth cessation occurs in infertile cycle. In that cycle, where there is no fertilization, in that cycle the secretory phase is seen. Next is menstrual phase. It occurs up to 3 to 5 days. Corpus luteum degenerates in ovary. During this phase, in ovary, there will be degeneration of corpus luteum and formation of corpus albicans is estrogen and progesterone hormone level falls off. The estrogen and progesterone hormone level will slowly come down. Then intense spasm of spiral vessels, all blood vessels spasm will occur. The zones shuts off and bleeding occurs through vagina. This is called menstrual phase. And this chart shows about both ovarian cycle and uterine cycle. This ovum is released into fallopian tube when there will be peak level of LH and FSH. These are ovarian hormones, estrogen and progesterone. When there will be sudden fall of progesterone, menstruation occurs. So this is about menstrual cycle. Please like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos on education. Thank you.